Sources of history of medieval period in India. For reconstructing the history of medieval period, historians have gathered their information from various sources. Inscriptions or epigraphic evidence. Coins or numismatic evidence. Sculptures and buildings or archaeological evidence. Paintings or artistic evidence. Historical writings or literary evidence. Inscriptions. Inscriptions or writings engraved on hard surfaces like stones, pillars, rocks, or on metals like coins or copper plates have been found in and around many South Indian temples. Coins. Coins give us the names of kings and queens who issued them, dates of important political events, and also indicate the economic condition of the kingdom.
Monuments and ancient buildings. Buildings and monuments like temples, forts, and palaces tell us about the social and economic conditions, religions, and architecture of medieval India. Paintings and portraits. Paintings of the period, especially the miniature paintings made on cloth, wood, palm leaf, or paper, reflect the contemporary society. They tell us about culture, food habits, dresses, jewelry, festivals and customs, celebration of important events of the period.
Literary evidence.
Literary sources of the period give us a detailed and vivid picture of life during the Mughal rule. They include manuscripts written on birk bark, palm leaf, bamboo leaf, cloth, and paper.